Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build a simple Salesforce flow. We'll start by understanding what flows are and why they are so powerful for automating tasks. Salesforce flows are a declarative automation tool that allows you to build complex business processes without writing any code. They can significantly boost productivity and ensure data consistency across your entire platform, saving countless hours of manual work. Before jumping into the flow builder, it's crucial to plan your automation. First, clearly define the business problem you aim to solve. Next, identify all the relevant Salesforce objects, fields, and records your flow will interact with. Finally, map out the logical steps, decisions, and actions your flow needs to take. A well-planned flow is much easier to build and maintain, saving you time and effort in the long run. Now, let's dive into building. From Salesforce Setup, search for flows and open the Flow Builder. You'll choose a flow type, like a screen flow for user interaction or a record-triggered flow for automation based on record changes. Then, use the intuitive drag-and-drop interface to add elements such as assignments, decisions, and record update actions. Connect these elements to create the logical path for your automation, step by step. Once your flow is built, thorough testing is absolutely critical. Run your flow through various scenarios, including edge cases, and test with different user profiles to ensure it behaves as expected. Use the debug option in Flow Builder to identify and fix any issues. After successful testing, activate your flow to deploy it to your users. Remember, a well-tested flow ensures smooth operation and prevents unexpected problems in your Salesforce environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.